Today is Christmas Eve.
Yeah.
But you know what?
No.
We're still at school. Oh my goodness. So what we're gonna do, we have gifts to change, but the gift is trash.
Trash.
We don't change gifts, we change trash. Yeah, so we're excited about the changing of the trash. So you're gonna see what I get when it's time. Goodbye. Okay, this is going to be the boringest Christmas ever. Today I still go to school and nothing else is different. Okay, I trained trash. That's good. Oh, it's actually fun. Do you want to see what I got? You gotta see that. This is what I got. Okay, so I am on my way home, and it will take more than 20 minutes to go home. And when I go home, I will go to cram school. Okay, this is my Christmas Eve. Oh, it's gotta be wonderful, I think. Well, now I'm going to home. Taiwan didn't have holiday, so I still have to go to school today, and I still have to go to cram school. But it's different. I'm a little bit excited because I really like Christmas. Nobody don't like Christmas, don't you?